Hello guys, today we're making a video about me playing Roblox on my mobile phone. What's up, my man? First, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna play the game.
Gusto mo magpakasal sa loob ng 20 araw? Pero merong kondisyon yan kung sakali na maging isang halimaw ako.
So guys, we're playing guys. What are we gonna play, boys? Some of the games that I've already played, it's really easy for us. Yeah, this game, I'm not playing that guys, not playing that. What are we gonna play today? Because you'll see my bar percent there, which is little. So this is gonna be a short video guys. What are we gonna play? Okay guys, we're so far 2 minutes into the show. I'm not pick a let's say this guys. I can't pronounce it. Hard style, high jumper, difficult chart hobby. This will be easy guys. Easy for me. I am the GOAT himself. Also, so we're 2 minutes into the video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. That helps me a ton. Thank you. Okay, sirs. Guys, I think my game does kind of load it. Hello guys, I'm gonna disable something first. We're in, boys. We're in. Can nuke all of them. That's actually cool. Oh! I've not played this game before, guys. I promise. Okay, we can't use it. It's easy, guys. It's easy. Light year. It's not good. It's light year. So guys, I'm kind of lag a little bit. I'm just lag, so sorry for the back. Sorry for the lag, guys. I'm just a cold easy, guys, easy. We're not even jumping, we're just this is like, guys, it's getting a lot taller. I already have a crew, like, I'm level 300, so it's really good. The new YouTuber, what's happening, bro? Bro, what the fuck happened? So, guys, it's the end of the video. Bye-bye.